Ever wondered why some apps do better while others tank? Let's take Google Play Store for an instance. Out of 3.5 million apps in the Play Store, only 140k apps have a rating of 4.5 stars. That's only 4%. For the App Store itself, the percentage is as low as 6%. Turns out, a big reason for this happening lies on how the BRD is written. But what is BRD and why is it so important? That's what we'll discuss in this video. We'll also ask one of our business analysts to give insights on how we at GeekyAnts create a BRD. BRD, aka Business Requirement Document. It is a document that outlines every aspect of the app, from functionality to design to user experience. But the definition is just the tip of the iceberg. There are 3 reasons that make a good BRD more precious than a power array. Catalyst for collaboration, no resource wasted, and great ROI. A BRD is a bridge between your vision and technical reality. It aligns all the teams involved, like the C-suite, designers, engineers, and business managers. The result? Faster project kickoff and better development timelines. A well-written BRD equals to a clear direction towards the project. Because the vision and scope of the project are clear, resources get utilized efficiently. Therefore, the investments get optimized, the team becomes much more productive, and the product gets launched faster. This is almost a no-brainer. Better collaboration between teams directly leads to great ROI. So that's clarity, cost effectiveness, and consistency, all from one single document. All the key things an organization must get from an app development engagement. But how do we create a good BRD that will guarantee success? Here is one of our business analysts explaining the process.
When we create BRD for the clients, we ensure that the document is universally helpful. Anybody involved in the project, designers, developers, product managers, or other business stakeholders should be able to go through the document and say, yes, I understand everything about the product. How do we do it? We index it. Introduction and findings, details of features, execution and use case diagram, extensive acceptance criteria, and user stories. The introduction of the BRD sets the tone of the document. Anybody who reads it should be able to understand what BRD contains. That is business goals and objectives, market analysis, and the foundation of the more detailed product requirements. For our clients, we cover these details under the following headings: purpose, scope, assumptions, and dependencies. Here we get into the nitty-gritty of the project. This section explains the modules, features, and user flows. Each screen, interaction, and navigations are detailed in this section. This section provides a visual representation of application functionality. Each interaction is mapped to one another, a very useful section for designers and developers while building the app. We create a user story for each feature in the app and map it to something called an acceptance criteria. These criteria are conditions or requirements that must be present to complete the feature. For example, let's say we are designing a registration screen and flow. In that case, the user story will look something like this. We will have a feature ID and a name. There will be also other details for clarity like a sub-feature and description. Then we have the most important section of the user story, which is acceptance criteria. For the registration process, some acceptance criteria points will be: user should be able to click on the register button from the login screen, which will open up the registration form. The registration form should have the following fields. Users will have to accept the terms and conditions of using the app before registering. In case of an error, the user should receive an error message from the app. The list will detail everything. And this is done for every feature in the app. So anytime a stakeholder refers to the BRD, they have complete clarity of each and every feature. Collaboration is therefore a breeze. When we onboard partners with GeekyAnts, we handle the BRD process end to end. But we do something different. We merge the BRD and BRD together. BRD is product requirement document, which is close cousin of the BRD. We create one single source of reference which has both business context and specifics of product features and functionalities. This minimizes chances of miscommunication in the execution and ensures that the product developed fits the vision of the company.
And that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more tech insights. Until next time.